Today we're going to install the Stage 1 performance kit for a Coleman CT200U-EX. Comes with the air filter, screen for the air filter, the adapter, and then some miscellaneous mounting hardware, along with a performance jet that we're going to put inside the carburetor. Let's get started. When you go to remove the air box, you will need to put the choke lever over to off, and then make sure your gas is off. Box will just slide right out. I'm actually going to remove the carburetor here. So you'll need to remove your choke lever. There's this spring right here that you'll need to remove. You'll need to unclamp your fuel line, remove the fuel line. With the gas drained, we're ready to pull the carburetor out. You'll need to remove the throttle linkage here. Had a little issue with this jet here. So I finally got it. Don't lose your O-ring to the bowl. Now we're ready to install our new jet. We're ready to put the carburetor back together. Just reverse the process that we did taking it off. Going to install the choke lever holder. Goes on the back of the adapter. We're ready to put the adapter on. Make sure everything lines up. Now we're ready to install the air filter. You can orient that however you would like. Don't forget to clamp it down. One last thing I did is I peeled off this sticker from the original box, so that way I can remember if the choke is on or off, and if the gas is on or off as well.